Hey friends, a lot of users are asking, is Windows 11 better than Windows 10? Now, earlier I would have said kind of not, but now I say definitely yes, because with consistent updates, Windows 11 has become much better, much more convenient to use, and the interface is almost similar to Windows 10 with a few differences in the settings. But here's the difference. First of all, it's more secure with TPM and secure boot and all. While that could have existed with Windows 10 as well, but with Windows 11 it becomes compulsory. And the other thing is that the updates are better, okay, more proficient. Why? Because Microsoft wants to promote Windows 11, and to promote a certain operating system, it would have to push better updates to it in comparison to the previous one. Furthermore, it is more convenient now, especially because they have changed the settings in such a manner that the accessibility settings are at the right place, the security settings are at the right place, the update settings are at the right place, so it's easier to find the settings. And lastly, it is more efficient, okay. It boots faster, it shuts down faster, it is in general faster than Windows 10 for the same hardware. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.